What is going on, guys? My name is Alex Whittick and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yesterday we had a great video and it was 65 degrees outside. Today it's 35 and windy and cold, and you know, that's not going to change today's mood. So I'm working on the greasy moped today, and I figured what better to wear than this white sweatshirt. So I'm gonna get the moped out from the back, bring it into the garage, and we're gonna do some much needed maintenance on it. Also, guys, to protect the moped from the weather, I put this Mark V fender from the purple TDI over it. Just got to get it out of the way real quick before we move it inside. Well, got her into the garage. Got to look for the piece of wood to use as a kickstand, but right now we are using the lip of the Mark V's BBS-RS. But wow, those two together, fiery combo. Alright guys, so in yesterday's video you can very clearly see that the spark plug completely fouled out on the bike and it wouldn't even start up towards the end, and it was running like really bad when I got the camera out to show you guys. So yesterday what I should have done was put a new spark plug in it, but I was like, let's run it, let's see how it does. I got two of these, so if this fouls it's fine, but I got a 6HBS NGK plug, and this is what I always run. It's a little bit cooler of a plug. I really don't know the reason, I can't really remember, but I remember going with these and these ran the best out of every option that I really tried. But we're gonna get this out of the box, we're gonna take the old one out, we're gonna inspect it, we're gonna look at it together, and we're gonna see what needs to be changed. So I've got my Milwaukee Impact, I've got the spark plug here, take the boot off. I don't have time for hand tools, so I'm gonna stick this right on there, make sure it goes on. Beautiful, let it drop on the ground, it's fouled, we don't care about it anymore. Let's head over to the table and check out the electrode. All right, so very clearly here we have the bad spark plug. It's a little gunked up. Let me just see if I can get this in focus. It's not the worst, but it's super black and stuff like that. It's super caked up. And obviously the brand new one looks fine, but the gapping on this one, it looks like it's stock gapping. I don't have my feeler gauge on me, so I'm just gonna throw this one back in there and see if the bike just starts up. Alrighty, so once I got the spark plug in there, hand tight, I'm gonna throw this on there. I'm gonna do this by hand, just tighten it with the wrench, not the impact. And once I feel it snug up, the crush washer's done, I'm done. There's probably some kind of torque spec you're supposed to put on there, but I'm not trying to strip an aluminum head, which is very easily doable. What you guys doing, bro? It drives past my house every day and revs his car in neutral as if I care. I know you watch my videos. Please stop. You're making my neighborhood look bad. But we got the spark plug in. Now that that's all snug, I'm gonna throw the boot back on. Two, little clip, beautiful. And I'm just gonna spray some carb cleaner in here. Maybe it'll do something. And we're gonna bring her outside and start her up. I pushed the moped to the side. I took the side guard off, and I saw the comments. A lot of people were concerned about how the chain was slapping like crazy. And literally, I picked it up, I started it up, I leaned it on its side to get full throttle, and the chain jumped right off. So right now, this greasy chain, I'm not even gonna film it because it's gonna be a nightmare getting out. It's covered in automatic transmission fluid. Basically, I'm gonna take the master link that's right there off. I'm gonna degrease the chain with a bunch of paper towels, and then I'll film myself grinding off the master link and then jumping at a tooth, so we'll be able to run the chain on there tighter. Got her on the pad, got the heat going, about to rip off the chain. Got the Thrifty Sorb over there, sopping up all the oil. Oh my God, this thing is dripping all over the place, all over the exhaust. What a nightmare. We got the chain off of the bike, in the vise, and I'm gonna be grinding this one right here, because this one, you gotta go in and then there's nothing. If you take this pin out, there's nothing. It won't let this go. So you gotta let this whole link go. You grind that down, and then this whole section comes out, and then you got this middle piece that's free, and it's gonna look just like that. Extremely easy. 2-second process. I'm gonna get my hole punch. I'm gonna punch that out, and we're gonna throw it back on the bike. I hit the pin with the hole punch. As you can see, it's countersunk now, and I'm gonna get the whole pin through. Right, so I got that center pin out of there. That piece right there used to be straddled by that, and now I got that link apart. So now the chain's gonna be shorter, And now I can have a tight chain on the moped. Got the chain all back together. As you can see, it's got to get on the sprocket, and the maximum that the wheel can go back is it's basically maxed out. So got my impact. Undo each side. Nice and loose. Okay. So now I'm able to do full adjustments on the where the chain can go. Slide this wheel that basically prohibits the wheel from moving forward or backwards. Put it as far forward as I can to get the chain on. Do that to this side as well. Sadly, the chain, I got it on, nice, but I've got a motorcycle tire on there, and that doesn't allow me to push the tire any farther forward. It's actually folded in a little bit. So I'm gonna have to get a bigger chain. Not a big deal, just kind of stinks. But on the bright side, we know we need a new chain. Got the moped put away in the corner for now until we order some of those parts. Guys, to end off today's video and to add a little bit of hype to it, even though we didn't get the moped to run like we wanted it to, we're gonna start the Tilted TDI. I got the key here, and yeah, I'm just gonna put my foot down on the clutch. Beautiful. Put the key in, no glow plugs, so no need to prime. Ooh, turn right up. The king of cold starts. She is smoky as all hell, but yeah. She's alive. Guys, that's going to conclude today's video. We just got an email saying the Heim joints will be here tomorrow, but the tensioning rod, I don't know when it's going to be here. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Keep smiling, keep staying hyped, and let's see where this leads.